taking a detour. The Petrified Forest National Park. Been wanting to check this out, so here goes the adventure. Did check in at the ranger station. Unfortunately, due to a few incidents, they're not allowing drone photography or video, so we won't capture that, but going to throw on the telephoto and really kick off the first official two cameras part of this two cameras in one big idea adventure. So looking forward to it. This one is worth putting the walking shoes on for. Flip-flops are out. I'm fortunate. I'm at the lookout point here, and there's no one else around. All you can hear is the wind. The sheer vastness of this landscape, how harsh and inhospitable it is. It's a different perspective, and if you hadn't had a chance to get to the west, I'd definitely recommend it. Gonna move on down the road. There is a part of this park where you can actually walk into some of the canyons in the petrified areas. So keep on heading down the road and see what else unfolds. All right, this is not a welcoming sign. Bee swarms may be present. Bringing the EpiPen with me this time. The question of being on the right path has always come up. I'm heading out here for the solstice, and look what I find. Ancient carving that demonstrates and marks the solstice down here. In the corner of this rock, on the solstice, it aligns. So definitely on the right path. The Blue Mesa. It's 3 miles off the main drag and a little bit of a hiking loop. But if you're out here, this is a place to stop. You get to actually walk through. All these geological formations. It's gonna take me an hour with all the photo and video I'm taking. Great stop.